The Fox and the Crane. A fox and a crane lived in a forest. They were good friends. Once the fox invited the crane to dinner. "I would like to invite you for dinner at my home." "Oh, that's so nice of you. I will surely come." The crane agreed and reached the fox's place at sunset. The crane and the fox sat down to have dinner. "Please start your dinner. Enjoy the tasty meal. But how can I eat in this flat dish with my long beak?" The cunning fox lapped up the crane's share with her tongue. The crane had to go back home hungry. After a few days, the crane invited the fox to dinner. The fox reached the crane's place on time. "Welcome, friend. Have this tasty soup, made for you." "Oh, the mouth of this jug is too narrow for me to drink the soup." The fox had to return home hungry. Now she realized that as we sow, so shall we reap.